How long does these veneers last, and are there any problems that I should be aware of that may come down the road?
Great question. Okay, all right. So, how long do the veneers last? And it's hard to say, but I've seen people have veneers last 20 years and do fantastic. Okay, well, what are the main problems? The main problem is when somebody uses their teeth as tools, tearing open things, biting things that aren't food. So the same things that would chip your natural teeth would chip your veneers. So if you treat them with respect, they can last 20 years. We tell people it's ridiculous for them to last less than 5 years, and we guarantee them for 5 years. But if you take care of your teeth and don't treat your teeth like tools, they'll last. So suppose something goes wrong. Suppose you're in sports and you get banged and you chip your veneer like you would chip your tooth. Sometimes it can be repaired, sometimes it's replaced. It doesn't mean you replace them all, you replace the one. Sometimes, I froze on that one, sorry. Many times when time goes by, somebody will partake in one of the 4 big staining things: coffee, tea, red wine, and cigarettes. I doubt if you do any of those, but suppose you did. Suppose you enjoyed coffee. Sometimes the veneers you'll look in the mirror a year later and say, you know, they're not quite as light as they used to be. That's a surface stain that will come off with 15 minutes of dental bleach. Unlike bleaching your natural teeth, which can take a long time, 15 minutes of dental bleach will bring your veneers back to the shade they were the day you put them in. So there's no intrinsic stain with veneers, only on the outside. The dental hygienist can polish it off at visits, or if you've got a big event and you think you've got a lot of red wine that's kind of darken the color a little, bleaching trays, bleach for 15 minutes, boom, they're back to the day you got them. And thin veneers are excellent for many reasons. One, it's very conservative. You don't have to drill your natural teeth, assuming you're a candidate for them, and you are. 2, because you're bonding to the enamel and not the dentin, much stronger bond, very much stronger. Some people say, well, I heard sometimes veneers come off. Not thin veneers, not too often. That's the strongest bond of any veneer. Do porcelain crowns ever come off? Does a veneer ever come off? Sometimes. I've got 18 in my mouth, and one did come off after 15 years, and I cemented it quickly, and I'm back in business. So nothing is ever maintenance free. There's always maintenance involved with things, but it's a low maintenance procedure, that's for sure.
Okay.